notes in the air vent.
I'm not. I'm at the beginning.
You're at the beginning?
Yeah.
Why are you over there?
I don't know.
I'll wait for you here then, if you know how to get back.
No.
Want me to wait for you?
I went to a different way, and the other way is...
I don't know where to... do I go then?
Oh, there he is! Ah!
Where's... what? I'm coming back, Marquise. I'm gonna find you.
Oh, I don't think he came all the way down there.
Where are you?
I have no idea. This mean if you can get back to spawn, that would be great.
I'm trying to.
Oh no, he's some guy with a lantern.
Coming back to spawn.
It's a note.
Oh shit. Wait, jump?
I'm jumping.
Alright, good.
I already read these notes, but no I didn't. Alright, just tell me you get. I'm not like at spawn, but tell me when you get there. I know where to get, how to get there.
Okay, these people like freak the crap out of me, even though I was trying to freak the crap out of somebody else.
Alright, nah, man. Oh shoot, someone was down there.
Everyone is using like my character model. Alright, I'm coming. Spawn. It's. Are you at spawn?
No, but I know how to get there. I think. Some guy's down the hall, so. Yeah, I'm at spawn. Is that you? No.
No. I'm going down this one long, dark, black hallway. No, that's what she said. A note on the floor. Where I am and how. What? I should move to try to solve this mystery. Blah blah blah. If anyone reads this, please find me, Jack Farry.
Can you hear it?
What?
Guys ran past me.
Okay, I'm coming back. Here. Almost to spawn, I think.
Oh shoot. Oh!
What? I'm at spawn. What? Who's
this?
beating you?
That was not beating me.
Here's a guy with a lantern.
Where
are you?
He said, what's he saying? Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, there's two of them. Get out of my way. Oh. I'm about to get spawn. Is that you right there?
Where? Yeah.
Over here.
Ready? Where we're going there for?
We're gonna kill him.
How can we fight? I don't know how to fight in this game mode.
Race has pick up. I'm gonna beat him on.
Wow, I didn't realize everything was so connected in the thing. Beat him up with that. Come here, Marquise. I have something for you.
What was that?
Move, fucker!
Ouch!
I hurt you with it.
Stop before I actually get killed. You're one of them.
I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna.
You're one of them.
Alright, let's just go through this door. Where are you?
You're one of them.
No, just come here.
You're one of them.
Just come here. Jesus. Marquise.
I can't reveal my location. You'll find me eventually. Where you at, Chris?
Why are you looking for me now, or am I looking for you?
Where you at, Chris?
I don't know. Standing around looking for you.
I'm still around the same area, actually.
I know. Well, there's only one way out of the area, so I'm just gonna stand here.
Oh, and there's another way. There's a. I just saw somebody took an elevator. There was somebody down the hallway. I just saw somebody took an elevator.
Wait.
You're there?
Yep. What elevator?
What was it? Oh no.
There's an I think an elevator in here. Excuse me.
Yes, excuse you.
Alright. Ah, what the hell?
Yeah, this one.
Hey, can we open the doors?
No,
They were open for me, like, just the...
I should have jumped.
They were open for me for, like...
I didn't... The elevator with the crooked, so I was like, oh, I don't think that worked, then...
Yeah, but, like, it was just open, like, for a split second.
Whoever bought the door needs to...
The door is not bought. Where are you?
I don't know how to earn... I don't know nothing about... I want to read about this game.
Where are you?
I'm still at the elevator.
Oh.
Can we not read about this game? That's a good picture.
I just want to go back the other way where we were at. How do I...
attack something?
Oh! Oh my goodness, that was...
I attacked... They're still there. I can see the flashlight waving a bit, I think. No, I don't know.
We're taking the elevator down. Your eyes.
I got attacked the last time, on the other...
How do I raise... Oh!
You raised them? Whoa.
Wait, do I? Did I?
Yeah, I hear the swishing.
You hear the swishing? Wait,
yeah.
I'm not gonna...
No.
Did it hurt?
Yes.
Wait, did it actually hit you?
Yes. Sorry,
oh, sorry. Alright, hold on. Wait, let me see if I can.
I can hear the swish.
I don't know. Stop.
Punch the guy in the hallway. Fine, here up.
This... Wait, I have my keys out. Wait, I think. Wait, now they're down?
I can't hear nothing.
Wait. This...
I hear it now.
This is not a valid...
Oh, shit, get in there. Get in. Come on.
I can't.
Jump across.
Right,
There you go.
jump.
Hold on, wait for me. Uh-oh. Oh, God. See, that's... Start.
Oh my... This is a crooked elevator.
Yeah, that's why I didn't jump in it when I first saw it. You watch out, don't fall down there.
I don't want to get glitched into a spot and then I end up dying.
Killing the whole elevator. How far are we going?
All the way down. Oh look. We're going pretty far.
Weapons start getting dark.
I think it might.
Yeah, I think it is too.
Yeah.
I don't know. Wait. Oh. You jump there?
Careful.
And I was finding sort of two people. We're in the
Radio.
Here.
Radio room. Is there a pistol on the wall? Like in the Nightmare? Jump and crouch. Jeez.
No, I'm just trying to like see what's inside of it. Forget it. Just go. You can go in there.
Ah, it's like that'd be imagined there was the amazing if there was a pistol on that wall like in Nightmare House. This way.
I'm just looking around. Now, what does that do right there? Oh,
that supposed to turn on like the power. Oh my goodness! I think we did something wrong.
We turned off the power. Hold on. Take this out. I hope this is again.
Turn it. Try to turn it back on.
Hold on.
This red light is glowing. Alright,
Yeah,
I think, yeah, that works.
Keep on now. Keep it on. Finally. Something. Oh!
Run.
Close the door. Oh, I've been here before.
Yeah.
This is the other half of the map.
Yeah, this is the... Nightmare House thing.
Oh, jump across. We're in this van.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna go check.
Alright, I'm gonna go see what.
That leads back to that place where we were just at.
Oh, yeah?
Shh! I gotta run!
Did he see you?
He saw me. He's chasing me. Go!
Oh, shit.
We're not. This is just like Outlast. Holy crap.
I can't know where I'm going. I don't know. Oh, we're going to take it on right.
No, no. There's no right turn or anything. You just go straight, I think. Wait,
there's a right
really?
turn, then you go straight. Right turn, then straight. Yeah, back up.
Yeah, there we go. I'm backing up.
Alright.
It's supposed to like fall into like a hole or something.
Better be a hole.
She said. Anyway.
Alright, I lost. Oh, yeah, you found the hole. Alright.
Where?
Yeah, you fall right back at the,
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
shh. Get back over there. Get back over there. Get over there. Just get out, get out, get out, get out. There's a guy right there in the middle of the hole. Oh, oh. He didn't see. He was looking the other way. Alright, you go check it out.
Alright.
I got a crate.
Shit! Stay there.
Oh god, I think he'd stop running after me.
Oh god.
You can see your feet like Outlast, yeah.
They're going back up the elevator. Ah! Oh, where'd you go?
If I can talk to you, I'm right here.
Oh god.
Alright, we didn't. Who the freak is that? Well, he just walked past, so
Oh my.
I think it's just a lantern, like a gun. Love to eat human. We're never in that room. Why you turn it off?
Go, just go.
Oh, where?
Back to the elevator. What do you think?
Where's down? I'm gonna check this whole place down. I don't know about you.
Alright, fine. This is it's not much down here.
Well, so I want a way to find out.
No, trust me, I know the map. There's a cafeteria.
Wait, running.
Marquise?
Friendly. Everybody here is friendly.
I don't know. Is that you? This is where you start off in Nightmare House 2. You wake up in here.
Well, I'm not about to go in there and somebody locks us in there. Yeah, I've been through here before, I remember.
Oh, dude. Down here. Come back. Yeah,
So this is part of the map, and then that's when the monster attacked me here.
like a monster guy or like a...
It was like some kind of invisible monster that came out of my face.
What the hell? There's glitching parts here. This wall I can't see.
Through there.
Okay, well I can... Oh,
What's happened?
Marquise, there's people in there.
I know. Don't close me in here.
They're scared of you.
Let's see. Oh. What the frick are they doing? Oh, wow. I'll just go in there.
I eat your I skin and eat your cock. I'm gonna run now.
Right ahead of you. Oh, they did it. Oh, no.
Marquise, I'm in the cafeteria.
I knew the cafeteria's at.
Oh, is that you?
I think it was. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been through here. You're right, it's a small place. We need to get back to the elevator somehow.
Yeah, let's go.
Is there really something that attacks you, though?
I think so. I'm not one to find
I got killed
out.
by something yesterday, but I don't know.
You wanna just go like through here this way? Instead of the air vent, I am Psycho and I killed someone.
Oh, I gotta wait for you.
Everyone else is...
That's the guy. This character's the same. He'll cut his face. What the freak? We're just going for the elevator to come. So let's just say something weird.
I am hunting someone.
Oh, let's get in there with him then. Yeah. So, I'm hunting someone. I think we get it.